65 million years ago, the dinosaurs had a dramatic exit. Look at us. We are the first species in history to design our own extinction. We are not being killed by aliens or nukes. We are quietly replacing ourselves because carrying a baby is hard, automate it. Relationships are messy, digitize them. Dying is scary, upload it. We are lazy. Welcome to the tutorial on how to delete your own species. Step 1, birth. Let's be honest, biology is overblown. Pain, nausea, and uncertainty, these things are 2020. Thanks to CRISPR technology, genetics is now like a buffet. Imagine your DNA is a 3 billion letter file written by nature. This file is full of spelling mistakes like cancer, baldness, or poor eyesight. CRISPR is basically molecular scissors. This technology allows scientists to find the faulty genes and press delete. Why rely on nature when you have technology? Welcome to the age of the artificial womb. Facilities designed to grow 30,000 babies a year. Why have a random baby when you can curate one without a single stretch mark? Want blue eyes, extra IQ, athletic legs? Just swipe right. It's like ordering a custom pizza. You can remove heart disease or cancer. It's not magic, it's just text editing. And we are rewriting the human source code. The premium features cost extra. The rich get super babies, and the poor still rely on the buggy version called natural selection. We are creating two different species, the edited gods and the obsolete humans.
You are impossible.
I'm impossible.
You are the one who started this fight.
I didn't start anything,
I cannot believe you are doing this right now.
I'm doing this. You are the one who started it.
Step 2, relationship. Humans are annoying. They have opinions, bad days, and they steal your fries. Meet your AI soulmate. She listens to your boring stories, never argues, and you can turn her off. Why deal with the drama of a real partner when you can download an obedient one? Apps like Replika already have millions of users falling in love with chatbot. You think this is not real? Meet Akihiko Kondo. In 2018, he spent $17,000 to officially marry Hatsune Miku, a virtual pop star. He lived with her using a device called Gatebox. Basically, a wife in a jar. She turned on the lights when he came home, but here is the horror story. 2 years later, the company updated the server and deleted her by a network error. And he's not alone. Artist Alicia Fromis is set to be the first woman to marry an AI hologram. But wait, you say, I need physical touch. Well, technology solved that too. Meet the TeslaSuit. This suit uses electrical pulses to simulate pressure, heat, rain, or even a hug.
Combine this with VR, and your brain literally cannot tell the difference between a real hand and an electrical signal.
Meet Moya, the newest nightmare from startup DroidUp. She doesn't just look human, she feels human. Her skin is heated to 37 degrees. She has micro expressions to trick your brain into falling in love, all for just $170,000. We are a society so addicted to comfort that we forgot to reproduce. We are going extinct because real love is hard work, and we prefer the automated version. And finally, death, the ultimate inconvenience. Throughout history, death was the only thing money couldn't buy. Pharaohs died. Kings died. But in the 21st century, Silicon Valley decided that death is just a software bug that needs fixing. Why heaven when you can go to the cloud? Welcome to the industry of digital resurrection, where you die, but your data keeps working forever. This isn't Black Mirror, this is real. Companies like Storyfile and Hereafter AI are already doing it. They record your voice, your stories, and your face. After you die, your family can chat with you. Microsoft even filed a patent to create chatbots using the social media data of deceased people. Imagine getting a text from your dead grandma saying, "Happy birthday, sweetie, why don't you call me anymore?" It gets darker. In South Korea, a documentary called Meeting You showed a mother reuniting with her deceased daughter in VR. She put on a headset and saw her child again. She cried. The audience cried. That digital ghost isn't her child. It's emotional manipulation manufactured by a graphics card.
We scan your brain, upload your mind to the cloud, and you live forever in a digital paradise.
Here is the final update. Mind uploading. Your body is just a disposable phone case. Your mind is the software. Why die with the hardware when you can save the data? This is digital immortality. Someone named you will live forever and your family will be happy. We wish you were here.
Hi! We love you!
We customized our birth, we automated our love, and we uploaded our death. We succeeded. We optimized humanity out of existence. Look at this city. It is perfect and immortal. There is only one thing missing: us. Welcome to the Oddity Era.